In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Gantt chart in Monday.com. We'll start from the Monday.com homepage and walk through setting up a workspace, opening a board, and then using the Gantt view to visualize and adjust your project timeline. Begin on the homepage and head to Workspaces. Workspaces are where your boards live and help you organize projects by team or function. If you already have a workspace, click into it to open it. If you don't have one yet, choose Add Workspace and give it a clear name that matches your project or team so it stays easy to find later. Inside your workspace, look for the plus icon. That's your Create button. Use it to add a new folder or board. A folder is optional organization. A board is where your tasks and timelines are managed. Create a new board if you don't have one, or open an existing board by clicking on it. With your board open, look toward the top of the screen for the plus sign that adds a view. Click it, then select Gantt. This creates a Gantt view for the current board, turning your items into timeline bars. If you don't immediately see bars on the chart, make sure your board has a timeline or start and end date column. The Gantt needs date information to plot your items. Once the Gantt view loads, you can edit items directly from here. Click any taskbar to open its details and update fields like owner, status, or dates. This is useful for quick adjustments without switching back to the main board. You can also edit the timeline visually. Hover over the ends of a taskbar to extend or shorten its duration, or drag the entire bar left or right to shift the start and end dates together. This is a fast way to replan when schedules change. Use the timescale controls to zoom in or out depending on your project length. For short sprints, a weekly view is helpful. For longer projects, a monthly or quarterly view gives better context. If you manage many items, consider grouping on your board first so the Gantt is organized by phases or teams, making it easier to scan. Remember to keep your item dates accurate on the board. The Gantt automatically reflects those updates. If something looks off, a quick check of the item's date fields usually resolves it. And when you're done adjusting, your changes are saved to the board automatically, so everyone on your team sees the latest plan.